In the vast ocean of the cosmos, humanity has always looked up and wondered, are we alone? Is there another home waiting among the stars? One planet shines as a candidate for that dream. A world strikingly similar to Earth, yet older, stronger, and possibly far more advanced. This is Teegarden's B, the super-Earth of possibilities. In 2019, astronomers scanning the skies from observatories detected something extraordinary. Around a faint red dwarf star, just 12.5 light-years away, orbit two rocky planets, among them Teegarden's B, a planet whose mass is almost identical to Earth's, close enough to its star to remain warm, yet not too hot to burn away life, a perfect balance. Scientists quickly realized this could be one of the best candidates for human colonization beyond our solar system, but then comes the real question: can we ever go there? In cosmic terms, 12.5 light-years is practically next door. Only the Alpha Centauri system is closer. But for us, with current technology, it is impossibly far. Even with the fastest spacecraft ever built, it would take millions of years to reach at the speed of light, 12 years of travel. But light-speed travel is still a dream, chained by the laws of physics, unless one day, cryogenic sleep, wormholes or warp drives unlock the path. Imagine closing your eyes on Earth and waking up beneath the skies of another world. Now, imagine the impossible made real. Your ship pierces the atmosphere of Teegarden B. Clouds swirl in a glowing red sky, illuminated by its old faint star. The ground feels firm beneath your boots. Gravity almost identical, just 1.1 times Earth's. You breathe cautiously, sensors checking every molecule in the air. The temperature, a stable 28 degrees Celsius, like an endless tropical paradise, but paradise has its shadows. Because Teegarden B is tidally locked, one side is bathed in eternal sunlight, blazing deserts stretching forever. The other side, an endless frozen night. Between them lies the twilight zone, a golden belt where day meets night, a narrow strip where oceans could flow, where forests could grow, where life might thrive. If life exists here, it may not resemble anything we know. Perhaps glowing plants, feeding on the dim red light of their star. Perhaps creatures adapted to both the burning day and the freezing night. And maybe civilizations that rose long before we walked the Earth. Teegarden's star is over 8 billion years old, billions of years older than our sun. If intelligent beings evolved here, they could be millions of years ahead of us. Imagine civilizations that no longer need bodies, who live as digital beings inside vast networks of energy. A Kardashev type to civilization, harvesting the full power of their star. Would they welcome us as guests, or see us as children playing with fire, unworthy of entry? One wrong step, and humanity could be silenced before we ever speak. It sounds like science fiction, but step by step, humanity moves closer. We once thought the moon was unreachable, yet we walked on its surface. Mars was a dream. And now we plan to build bases there. The same determination could one day push us across interstellar space.